Hi, it's Money with Dan here, and in this video I'll show you how to complete the business section of MyTax. Let's say that I've earned money using my personal vehicle to deliver packages or food for an online platform such as Uber in my spare time. I would be considered a sole trader, and I have decided to use MyTax to lodge my tax return online. MyTax will personalize my return, so I only have to answer questions relevant to me. To start with, I must work out what type of business I have to determine which rules apply to me. I use the tool to help me. I answer questions that apply to me and enter the required information. This helps me work out that the personal services income rules don't apply to me, and MyTax automatically selects business income or loss. When I click Next, MyTax tailors my return based on my selections. I then move on to the Prepare screen. I enter my business details, working my way through the questions. You'll notice the first two questions have already been completed by the tool based on the information I added earlier. Once I have finished, I click Save and move on to the next panel of questions. If I received a business payment summary because I also worked as a contractor, I would enter the details in this section. If I select the wrong section, I can click Cancel. Next, I select my business type. I then enter my business income. I use some equipment in my business and have used the depreciation and capital allowance tool to record them. The tool works out my deductible decline in value. The amount is then transferred into MyTax. I had to repair some equipment. I entered the amount in repairs and maintenance. I also use my phone for business calls and extra mobile data for my phone. Unlike repairs and maintenance, there are no specific fields for these amounts, so I add the total to all other expenses. My total business expenses will then be calculated. MyTax then works out my business's total non-primary production net income or loss. There are 3 more labels for me to complete, which must add up to my net income or loss. These amounts will be used to complete some of the income test labels. My business activity doesn't include income from investing or rental property for simplicity, so I enter 0 in these fields. I enter all my net business income in the final field. Once I'm finished, I click Save and Continue. I am eligible for the small business income tax offset. If I don't know my net small business income from sole trading activities, I can use the small business calculator to work it out. As I already know this information, I can enter the amount in the field. Once I'm finished, I click Save and Continue. I'm now ready to move on to lodgement. For more videos on how to lodge online using MyTax, you may find one of the videos that I've prepared on the screen helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.